Right. Okay. Mm, Shinal, then take down topic static angles and dynamic angles. Dynamic nature and static and dynamic nature of an angle. Static and
Yes.
static and dynamic nature of an angle. Static and dynamic nature of an angle. Static and dynamic nature of an angle.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right. I'll draw an angle. You please look at this. Can you see this angle, Shinal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. By changing one arm, I'll change the size of the angle like this. Can you see it now? Then
Yes, sir.
yes, that means if certain angle is changeable, right? That is dynamic angle, right? By changing two arms or one arm, by moving two arms or one arm, we can change the angle. Then the changeable angles are called dynamic angles. Example for dynamic angles, the angles formed by hands of a clock. Have you seen those angles, Shinal? Puta? Shinal?
Yes, sir.
They are the angles formed by hands of a clock always change. That nature is called dynamic nature. That means changeable angles. The angles formed by clock, then angles formed by speed meter, right? Then angles formed by arms of a pair of scissors, right? Can you remember the dynamic angles like this, Shana?
Yes, sir.
That means sometimes we can have dynamic angles by changing both arms. Example, pair of scissors. Sometimes we can have uh, dynamic angles by changing only one arm, right? Then when we think about clock, there we can see dynamic angles by changing two arms, right? By moving two arms, dynamic angles form there in the clock, right? In pair of scissors, you can see dynamic angles and speed meter, and you can see dynamic angles there when open and close the door. We can see dynamic angles. When we close the door, dynamic angles form. In that case, one arm is changed and the other one not changed, right? Do you have an idea about that? The angles form
Yes,
windows,
sir.
doors, when it's closed or open, those dynamic angles are formed, right? Dynamic nature means the changeable nature, right? Can you understand this concept, Shina?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then the next type, static nature. Static nature means the angles without change, that are fixed angles. Example, angles in your textbook, angles in your textbook edges, they are fixed, not change. The angles in door edges, they are not changed, they are fixed. The angles in walls of a house, right? Then some pillars. Shenal, the do you know examples? The edges of a whiteboard or blackboard, they are not changed.
Yes, sir.
They are static angles. Static angle means a fixed angles. They are not changed. The arms are fixed, right? Angles in a photo frame, they are not changed. They are fixed. That's called static angles, right? Can you tell me some examples for the static angles?
Edge of the table.
Yes, 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 yeah. Table, we can see. In a table, we can see static angle. Really, very good.
Edge of the wall.
Edge of the wall, yes. Like this.
Uh, Edge of the box.
Box, yes. Edge of the box. They are form uh, static angles, right? Now, take down topic channel. First, dynamic angle. You write 3 examples for dynamic angles. Dynamic angles, subtopic, take down dynamic angles. And examples for dynamic angles: speed meter, the angles formed by hands of a clock, pair of scissor, the angles formed by pair of scissor. Like this, you write 3 examples. Shana, can you write 3 examples for dynamic angles?
Yes, sir.
Yo, okay, please write 3 examples.
Okay, sir.
Right. Then static angle, and write 3 examples for static
Okay, sir.
angle.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, types of angles, 2 types of angles, dynamic angles and static angles. Then take down topic, drawing, measuring angles. Shana, take down topic, measuring angles.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, let's see what's the instrument we use to measure angles.
We use a protector.
Yes, let's take the protector, and then let's measure an angle. First, I'll draw an angle. Right. See this. Angle. Okay. Can you see this angle, Shinal? Shinal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then I'll take the protector. Right. This is the angle. Then let's take the protector. I got the protector. Then let's identify parts of a protector. There we can see, I'll enlarge the protector. We can see center point. Right. Do you have protector, Shinal? Now, do you have?
No, sir.
You please take protector. If you have, you collect it. Can you bring a protector?
No, sir. I don't have one.
How about Akki? Your Akki have protector?
1 second, sir.
Yes, go and ask.
Okay, sir.
You have now? You both
Yes, sir.
protect? Yes, okay. Now, Shenal, your protector not like this. You in your one, you can see another edge here, other than this one here. In my protector, I'll show you the center point. Can you see this center point?
Yes, sir.
In the middle, you can see small line. You see your protector. Can you see like this center point?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Or center point or hole. Sometimes in some protectors, we can see a hole there as a center point. Here we can see a small line, vertical line, and that vertical line and horizontal line, the zero line is in the here. Protector means semicircle, no? In this semicircle, diameter is called baseline of this one, right? Can you see that baseline of your protector?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and in the middle of that baseline, you can see center point. You take your protector and place the center point of your protector on the vertex of the angle like this. Okay, I kept I kept center point of the protector on the vertex of the angle. Can you see it, Shinal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you please overlap one of the zero. In a protector, we can see two zeros in either side of this protector. There are two scales දෙකක් තියෙනවා. There are two scale, outer scale and inner scale. Can you see two scales? Please look at the protector. Inner scale, starting from 0, you can see numbers up to 180, and then
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
outer scale also starting from 0 and end at 180. In both sides of the protector, in left side and right side, we can see zeros. One of zero on your protector, please keep placed on the one of your arm of the drawn angle like this. Center point is on the vertex and 0 is one of the zero of the protector on one arm of the angle. There are two arms in an angle. I place 0 on the one arm of the angle and center point placed on the other angle. Can you see it, Shana?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then from the 0 you selected for the arm, there you can see in my protector, I place 0 of outer scale, 0 of outer scale on the arm. Can you see? Please look at the diagram. Look at that screen. Look at the screen, Shana. There,
Yes, sir.
I kept outer scale 0 of my protector on the one arm, right? From that zero, we have to count numbers up to the next arm. Starting from that arm which plays 0, count numbers to the other arm, right? Other arm is there at 40. It has passed 40. Now we can take, what is it, 40 or 41? As you can see,
40. 41.
41. It has exceed. That's why it is 41. Let's name this angle. I will put letters. This is A, B, C. We can name this angle ABC angle is ABC angle is how many degrees? 41 degrees, right? That's a way of measuring an angle. You please take your ruler and draw whatever angle you like this. කැමති එකක් ඇඳ ගන්න channel. You please draw whatever angle you like and measure it like this. Draw whatever angle you like, name it as ABC, and using your protector, keep the center point on the vertex and the one of the zero on the other one arm of the angle. Channel finish.
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. It's okay. Now, what's the value of your angle?
133.
133.
Yeah.
Is it acute angle or obtuse angle?
Acute.
Acute angle, how it become 133? You please start from the 0. You placed one arm. Have you kept one 0 of one arm? 0 of your protector on one arm?
Yes, sir.
You please take your protector and place center point on the vertex,
Yeah.
and then 0 of one 0 of the protector placed on one arm of your angle.
Yeah.
Yes, from that 0, what you select, outer scale or inner scale? Wow,
Uh,
you kept outer scale 0 or inner scale 0?
inner scale.
Inner scale 0 you kept on certain arm. What's that arm? Name of the arm? ABO, BCO, what's it?
AC.
AC arm. You kept 0 of AC arm, 0 of the protector on AC arm, right?
Yes,
Shana?
sir.
Then from that 0, from that starting from that 0, you count numbers up to the next arm. Count numbers from that scale. You selected a scale. The scale means the scale belongs to your selected 0. That's a scale you should consider.
Yes, sir. Okay.
From that you measure, you count numbers from 0 to that next arm.
60.
60. That's the thing. You don't take other side 0. Other side 0 not belongs to this angle. It is for the other angle, right? What's the angle? It is 60. Yes. When we take the other side, it become 150 or 30 or something, right? Can you understand? The
Yes, sir. Yeah.
yes. Draw another angle. Obtuse angle. Draw obtuse angle, Shina, and let's measure it.
Okay, sir.
What's the value of this obtuse angle?
130.
130. Okay,
30.
let's see. I will draw obtuse angle. Like this. Then let's take the protector. Keep the center point of your protector at the vertex. like this. Okay, can you see it, Shina? Can you see this protector?
Yes, sir.
I enlarge it a little bit. Here you can see the protector and angle, the center point placed on the vertex, and also one of the zero in my protector. I kept zero of outer scale on horizontal arm, right? Right, Shinal? Shinal, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, here in this place we can see in right side in horizontal arm, one of the zero of my protector I place on that straight line. From that scale, we have to get the angle 10, 20, 30 from the outer scale. I'll measure that next up to the next arm. Next arm is stop at 120 and 121, exactly 122. See it? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's see. 100. I'll name P Q R. The point P Q arm is placed at the angle 122. The angle P Q R angle equal 122 degrees according to my angle. You write your angle according to your protect and your angle, right? Have you got your angle like this?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Now, Shinal, please take your textbook. Okay, have you
Okay,
got?
sir.
You turn to page 98, page number 98.
Okay, sir.
In that page, you can see an angle and protector. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
There it's mentioned. Let us know. See how we can use protector to measure the angle AOE. Can you see AOE angle? AOB angle. AOB angle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there protector center point of the protector is placed on the vertex O. Can you see it? Can you see it, Shina? Shinal?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then zero of the inner scale. In this protector, you can see zero of the inner scale placed on OA arm. Can you see, Chinal? Chinal, have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. From that inner scale, starting from inner scale, don't use outer scale. Using inner scale, starting from that zero up to the next arm. Up to the next arm, you count degrees. Where it stop? Their next arm is placed at Which angle? Chinal, look at the diagram and tell me.
50.
50, right? Our answer is 50 degrees. Don't take 130. Why we uh, should not take 130? Because the zero of that 130 scale placed in the other side, not in our angle, right? Reason for not taking 130, the zero of outer scale is not placed on our arm. Shinal, can you understand? Outer
Yes, sir.
scale 0, outer scale 180 is placed on our arm, right? But we can't measure it. Therefore, you always take angle from the 0. Where you use 0 from that scale, you take your angle. That's the thing. Can you understand how to get 50 from this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let's move to the exercise 9.3, page number 99. Page number 99.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shinal, now we have few angles given. Write down magnitude of each of angles using the given figure. There we can see protector and so many angles. Let's take first angle. What is it? XYZ. You find that angle XYZ. Where is it? XYZ. XYZ. Have you got this angle? Have you identified XYZ? Which type of angle is it?
Yes. It's a
It's a කෙලින්ම තියෙන්නේ මොන angle එකද පුතා? Only straight line. Straight line එකේ තියෙන මොන angle එකක්ද? මෙන්න මේ angle එක. මේ බලන්න. මෙහෙම මම angle එකක් mark කරොත් can you see this angle?
reflected.
This angle, what is this angle called? Straight angle channel. What's the name?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Value of straight angle is here. According to the protector, you can get it.
0.
Oh, not.
No,
It's
180.
180 because x is starting from 0, right? X placed on the 0 and other side place, other arm place 180. Definitely two arm, right? One of the two arm must be placed on the 0 and the other arm give the answer, right? Shinal?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then XYZ angle is equal 180 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then let's move to the second one. ZYA. ZYA. Please identify that angle. ZYA angle. Shinal?
Yes, sir.
ZYA. Identify it. Please select your.
Acute angle.
Yes, acute angle. What's the value of this one?
20.
20 degrees. Very good, because I told you that there are two arms. Out of those two arms, 0 of the one scale should placed on one arm and the answer give the other arm. Can you see 0 placed, 0 of the inner scale on YZ arm, and next arm is YA arm. YA arm gives the answer, YZ arm gives the 0, right? Then value of this angle is 20. Very good, Shana. Third one. Third angle, let's see it. Identify that angle. XYC. Find it, XYC.
Right,
Shana,
right angle.
right angle. How many degrees?
9.
90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, very good, very good. You can see the 0 and 90 there in one arm, 0 and the other arm 90. That's why 90 degrees. Fourth one, BYZ. BYZ. What's the value of BYZ angle, Shana? Shana?
Also acute angle.
No, no, no. I want the value, not name. Magnitude of
60.
60, because 0 of the inner scale placed at YZ and the answer is placed on the next arm YB, it is 60. Very good, very good. Acute angle, its value is 60. Excellent. Then fifth one, Shanal, it is XYB. XYB angle. You please tell me XYB.
This angle.
Sorry. I want the magnitude.
So, 60.
No, no. XYB. XYB angle.